In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to underline text in Framer. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the underline setting and how to apply it cleanly so your typography looks intentional and consistent across your project. First, open your browser and go to framer.com. Once the site loads and your workspace is visible, you're ready to work. Everything we'll do today happens inside the Framer interface, so there's nothing extra to install or configure. Next, head to your project and land on the canvas where your design lives. This is the main editing area you use to arrange frames, components, and text layers. Make sure you're in the correct page or frame so you can see the text you want to adjust. Now, click on the text you plan to underline. You can select it directly on the canvas or from the layers list. When your text layer is selected, you'll notice the right-hand properties panel updates to show all the relevant text options. This ensures any formatting changes apply to the exact element you've chosen. On the right side, look for the Text Styles section. This panel centralizes your typography settings, making it easy to keep fonts and formatting consistent. Opening Text Styles lets you manage how your text looks without digging through multiple menus. Click Edit to modify the current text style used by the selected layer. Editing here adjusts the style itself, which is great for maintaining consistency. If multiple text layers share this style, they'll inherit the same changes automatically, so you only configure it once. Within the style editor, find the decoration option. Decoration controls treatments like underlines and other common text embellishments. It's designed for clarity, so you can focus on the exact visual effect you want without changing your font, size, or spacing. Finally, click Underline. As soon as you enable it, you'll see an underline appear beneath your selected text on the canvas. Because this change lives in the text style, it remains tidy, repeatable, and easy to update later. If you're using this style in other places, they'll update too, ensuring your typography stays uniform across the project. That's it. You went to framer.com, opened your project canvas, selected your text, opened text styles, clicked edit, chose decoration, and turned on underline. If the underline looks a bit tight or heavy, remember that the look often reflects your font weight and size, so small adjustments to your existing style can refine the appearance without hunting for additional controls. You're now ready to underline text in Framer with confidence and keep your designs clean and consistent.